what we're launching is a platform to help businesses with their ops, right? That is sort of like an escapulation, what's that word, right? Of the problem, right? But that's also still very huge, okay? It's a very interesting time to build in, because building product, I think is like solved, right? It is so easy to build product and add features right now. But because there's so much noise in the market, getting anyone to care is not easy, right? YC has this thing saying, do things that don't scale, right? I am visiting my old networks and begging them, please use this. What is the problem you have? What workflow do you need me to solve, right? And we've already got some early deals. I'm not sure I can talk about them right now.
Yeah, that's fine.
But it's really about like specific workflows, right? And so we feel like right now we're just doing stuff that doesn't scale with people in our networks. So actually, my ask, I don't know if I can do that right now, is if there's a friendly guy, inbox me, let's talk, right? And let's do things at the moment that don't scale and try and build a repeatable business from this. Yeah.
Good stuff.
Yeah.